Greetings from Florida. Here we're working on a 2010 through 2015 Cadillac SRX. This is the right rear, the passenger rear door. The clip is at double speed. This is very easy to do. You can take off the switch housing, unplug it. We've got two screws behind there. Comes right out. Just unplug the wiring harness, and you'll need to remove the cable that goes to the handle. Remember to put that cable back on when you reinstall the door. Oh, I think there was a speaker wire down there too. I'm going to remove the plastic just so you can see what's going on behind there. If you find this video helpful, do me a favor, like, L-I-K-E, like the video. That'll help other people such as yourself find it when they're looking on YouTube. If you have any questions, and you shouldn't, but if you have any questions, ask them right here on YouTube. I'll be glad to answer them. This is really as easy as it gets. Two 10mm bolts that hold the bracket onto the glass. I think three bolts that hold the regulator in the door. Out it goes. Grab the new one. Turning on the power just so I can go ahead and get the bracket up. And then once that's up, just tighten those two down and you're good to go. That's really all it is. It's really as simple as it gets on this one. You got lucky. So if you have any questions, ask away. If the video is helpful, go ahead and like the video. There's a couple more minutes. Oh, by the way, one other idea. Every 3 or 4 months, a little bit of WD-40 in the two up and down channels on the side where the glass travels is a good idea for all your windows, all your cars. You don't have to soak it. Just give it a light spray. And I thank you for watching, and call me anytime.